Let's see if I can turn this into a $60 gift basket. I wanted to keep everything in a blue theme, so I picked items that matched. The mug is the centerpiece. I added socks to give it that cozy feeling, and the poof helps fill space and makes it look more full. As I build my gift basket, I adjust everything so it looks balanced and full. How do you think it turned out? Would you pay $60 for this gift basket?